Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find homework answer with Google Camera. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to Google app. You need to have this app downloaded onto your phone. And let's say I want to search for like a homework answer. What you can do is click on the green button. So basically what this button do is it will capture your photo question. So let's say if you want to capture like a photo that has the question on it, you can take a picture of that and you just have to click OK. Or you can also click on the mic to maybe explain what is the homework is asking, and you will be able to click on search right away and it will show the homework on the internet. So basically just take the camera, scan or take the picture of the homework question that you have and then just search it on Google. That is how you will be able to find the homework answer with Google Camera.